Model 2019 Renault Trafic Prermier Edition SL27 Energy dCi 125 engine knocking no VAT. Body grey, panel van. Mileage 129134. MOT the 30th of July 2025. Engine 1598 CCR9M 125 Energy E6. Transmission 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts perfect. Runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features: 0 former keepers, air con, electric windows, parking sensors. EU status: Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail: 7,324.